Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to quickly and easily buy cryptocurrencies on Bitget. If you want to get the best sign up bonus possible on Bitget, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $8,000 of bonuses. Depending on how much you deposit and trade, you can pick up all of these nice bonuses. Once you've clicked on the link, you will get to this page. You simply can enter your details right here and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, the page will look like this. And the first thing I want to show you is how you can easily buy crypto by simply using your credit or debit card. Simply go up here to buy crypto, click on credit or debit card. You will get to this page right here. You can choose your fiat currency, euro, pound, US dollar, whichever one you want. Type in the amount. Let's say I want to pay, for example, 100 euro. Choose the currency that you want to receive. You can search by them in here, many different currencies. You can also type in here and search. Let's choose Bitcoin, for example. Then you simply have to click down here on buy BTC. You can see how much Bitcoin you will receive. Click on add new card and then enter your details of your credit or debit card, and then you can confirm the purchase. If you don't want to use your credit or debit card, you can also deposit fiat by using a bank transfer first. Simply go here to your wallet, click on deposit, then select fiat. And then choose the fiat currency right here. Select SEPA bank transfer. You can see there is no fee for that and it takes 2 days for the money to arrive. Then click on next and you will be presented with all the bank details that you need for the bank transfer. Make sure to also include the reference code in the reference number of your bank transfer so the money will be credited to your account. If you deposit money this way, you need to wait until the money has arrived, and then once you have it on the platform, simply go here back to buy crypto and then click on cash conversion. You will see your balance right here. Choose the fiat currency that you have deposited, type in the amount, and then choose the currency that you want to buy, for example, Bitcoin, and simply click on buy, and then you can also make the purchase that way. Lastly, if you already have crypto and you want to deposit it to here and then exchange it to another cryptocurrency, that also works by simply going here to your account, click on deposit, choose the coin that you want to deposit and also a network, for example, Ethereum network, and you will get your deposit address right here, and then you can send money to this address and you will receive it right here on the platform. Then if you want to exchange, for example, that US dollar tether into another coin, a smaller coin on the platform, you can always, of course, simply go here to markets, click on markets, then make sure to go here to the spot market. Here you can choose the base currency, so all the coins that you can buy with fiat, with Bitcoin, or in this case USDT. You can also search for a coin or check out all the different trading pairs that you can see right here. Let's say I wanted to buy a smaller coin. I can, for example, go in here and type in IQ, which is a smaller coin. I can find it right here. And then I can just go here and click on trade. Then I will get to this window right here. Here I can see the coin that I have currently selected. Simply go here to buy, click on market, type in the amount that you want to buy. You can see your available balance in USDT, of course, from your account. You will see that right here. Choose the amount or type in, for example, 100. And then all you need to do is click on buy, and then this purchase is also completed. So these are the 3 different options. If you want to check your balances, simply go here to your account, click on assets, and here you will always be able to see all the different balances that you have on your account. Let me also quickly show you the trading fees. So these are the spot trading fees. You can see 0.1% for maker and taker. So that means, for example, if you do a $100 buy, you will need to pay 10 cents of fees. So pretty low in my opinion, and also absolutely comparable to other exchanges. Lastly, I also want to show you how you can withdraw any money. So for example, if you want to withdraw any crypto, simply go here to your profile, click on withdraw, select crypto, choose the coin, choose a network, and then type in the withdrawal address down here, and then you will send this coin with this network to this address. So this can be your wallet or any other exchange. If you want to withdraw any fiat to your own bank account, simply go here, select the fiat currency. You see you need to pay 1 euro of a fee and it takes 2 days. Then just click on next, enter your banking details, and you can also receive money that way back to your bank account. Don't forget to create an account on Bitget by using the link down from the video description to get up to $8,000 of bonuses. You will get to this page, you can enter your details and start directly. If you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.